سورة الحديد.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Whatsoever is in the heavens and the earth glorifies Allah, and He is the Almighty, all-wise.
له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير.
His is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. It is He who gives life and causes death, and He is able to do all things.
هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن وهو بكل شيء عليم.
He is the first and the last, the most high and the most near, and He is the all-knower of everything.
هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو معكم أينما كنتم والله بما تعملون بصير.
He it is who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and then rose over the throne. He knows what goes into the earth, and what comes forth from it, and what descends from the heaven, and what ascends thereto. And He is with you by His knowledge wheresoever you may be. And Allah is the all-seer of what you do.
له ملك السماوات والأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
His is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and to Allah return all matters for decision.
يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وهو عليم بذات الصدور.
He merges night into day and merges day into night, and He has full knowledge of whatsoever is in the breasts.
آمنوا بالله ورسوله وأنفقوا مما جعلكم مستخلفين فيه فالذين آمنوا منكم وأنفقوا لهم أجر كبير.
Believe in Allah and His Messenger, and spend of that whereof He has made you trustees. And such of you as believe and spend in Allah's way, theirs will be a great reward.
وما لكم لا تؤمنون بالله والرسول يدعوكم لتؤمنوا بربكم وقد أخذ ميثاقكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
And what is the matter with you that you believe not in Allah, while the messenger invites you to believe in your Lord, and He has indeed taken your covenant, if you are real believers.
هو الذي ينزل على عبده آيات بينات ليخرجكم من الظلمات إلى النور وإن الله بكم لرؤوف رحيم.
It is He who sends down manifest proofs and revelations to His slave, that He may bring you out from darkness into light. And verily Allah is to you full of kindness, most merciful.
وما لكم ألا تنفقوا في سبيل الله ولله ميراث السماوات والأرض لا يستوي منكم من أنفق من قبل الفتح وقاتل أولئك أعظم درجة من الذين أنفقوا من بعد وقاتلوا وكلا وعد الله الحسنى والله بما تعملون خبير.
And what is the matter with you that you spend not in the cause of Allah? And to Allah belongs the heritage of the heavens and the earth. Not equal among you are those who spent and fought before the conquering of Mecca. Such are higher in degree than those who spent and fought afterwards. But to all Allah has promised the best reward, and Allah is all aware of what you do.
من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا فيضاعفه له وله أجر كريم.
Who is he that will lend Allah a goodly loan? Then Allah will increase it manifold to his credit in repaying, and he will have besides a good reward.
يوم ترى المؤمنين والمؤمنات يسعى نورهم بين أيديهم وبأيمانهم بشراكم اليوم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
On the day you shall see the believing men and the believing women, their light running forward before them, and with their book of deeds in their right hands. Glad tidings for you this day, gardens under which rivers flow, to dwell therein forever. Truly this is the great success.
يوم يقول المنافقون والمنافقات للذين آمنوا انظرونا نقتبس من نوركم قيل ارجعوا وراءكم فالتمسوا نورا فضرب بينهم بسور له باب باطنه فيه الرحمة وظاهره من قبله العذاب.
On the day when the hypocrites, men and women, will say to the believers, wait for us, let us get something from your light. It will be said, go back to your rear, then seek a light. So a wall will be put up between them, with a gate therein. Inside it will be mercy, and outside it will be torment.
ينادونهم ألم نكن معكم قالوا بلى ولكنكم فتنتم أنفسكم وتربصتم وارتبتم وغرتكم الأماني حتى جاء أمر الله وغركم بالله الغرور.
The hypocrites will call the believers, were we not with you? The believers will reply, yes, but you led yourselves into temptations. You looked forward for our destruction. You doubted in faith, and you were deceived by false desires, till the command of Allah came to pass. And the chief deceiver deceived you in respect of Allah.
فاليوم لا يؤخذ منكم فدية ولا من الذين كفروا مأواكم النار هي مولاكم وبئس المصير.
So this day no ransom shall be taken from you, nor of those who disbelieved. Your abode is the fire. That is your friend and proper place, and worst indeed is that destination.
ألم يأن للذين آمنوا أن تخشع قلوبهم لذكر الله وما نزل من الحق ولا يكونوا كالذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبل فطال عليهم الأمد فقست قلوبهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Has not the time come for the hearts of those who believe to be affected by Allah's reminder and that which has been revealed of the truth, lest they become as those who received the scripture before? And the term was prolonged for them, and so their hearts were hardened. And many of them were the rebellious.
اعلموا أن الله يحيي الأرض بعد موتها قد بينا لكم الآيات لعلكم تعقلون.
Know that Allah gives life to the earth after its death. Indeed, we have made clear the proofs and revelations to you if you but understand.
إن المصدقين والمصدقات وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعف لهم ولهم أجر كريم.
Verily, those who give charity and alms, men and women, and lend Allah a goodly loan, it shall be increased manifold to their credit, and theirs shall be an honorable good reward.
والذين آمنوا بالله ورسله أولئك هم الصديقون والشهداء عند ربهم لهم أجرهم ونورهم والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
And those who believe in the oneness of Allah and His messengers, they are those followers of the prophets who were first and foremost to believe in them, and the martyrs with their Lord. They shall have their reward and their light. But those who disbelieve and deny our proofs and revelations, they shall be the dwellers of the blazing fire.
اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال والأولاد كمثل غيث أعجب الكفار نباته ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يكون حطاما وفي الآخرة عذاب شديد ومغفرة من الله ورضوان وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور.
Know that the life of this world is only play and amusement, pomp and mutual boasting among you, and rivalry in respect of wealth and children. It is as the likeness of vegetation after rain. Thereof the growth is pleasing to the tiller. Afterwards it dries up and you see it turning yellow. Then it becomes straw. But in the hereafter, there is a severe torment for the disbelievers and evildoers, and there is forgiveness from Allah and His good pleasure for the believers and good doers. And the life of this world is only a deceiving enjoyment.
سابقوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة عرضها كعرض السماء والأرض أعدت للذين آمنوا بالله ورسله ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
Race with one another in hastening towards forgiveness from your Lord, and paradise, the width whereof is as the width of the heaven and the earth, prepared for those who believe in Allah and His messengers. That is the grace of Allah which He bestows on whom He is pleased with, and Allah is the owner of great bounty.
ما أصاب من مصيبة في الأرض ولا في أنفسكم إلا في كتاب من قبل أن نبرأها إن ذلك على الله يسير.
No calamity befalls on the earth or in yourselves, but it is inscribed in the book of decrees before we bring it into existence. Verily, that is easy for Allah.
لكي لا تأسوا على ما فاتكم ولا تفرحوا بما آتاكم والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور.
In order that you may not grieve at the things over which you fail to get, nor rejoice over that which has been given to you. And Allah likes not prideful boasters.
الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل ومن يتول فإن الله هو الغني الحميد.
Those who are misers and enjoin upon people miserliness, and whosoever turns away from faith, then Allah is rich, free of all needs, worthy of all praise.
لقد أرسلنا رسلنا بالبينات وأنزلنا معهم الكتاب والميزان ليقوم الناس بالقسط وأنزلنا الحديد فيه بأس شديد ومنافع للناس وليعلم الله من ينصره ورسله بالغيب إن الله قوي عزيز.
Indeed, we have sent our messengers with clear proofs and revealed with them the scripture and the balance that mankind may keep up justice. And we brought forth iron wherein is mighty power in matters of war, as well as many benefits for mankind, that Allah may test who it is that will help Him and His messengers in the unseen. Verily, Allah is all strong, almighty.
ولقد أرسلنا نوحا وإبراهيم وجعلنا في ذريتهما النبوة والكتاب فمنهم مهتد وكثير منهم فاسقون.
And indeed, we sent Noah and Ibrahim and placed in their offspring prophethood and scripture. And among them there are some who are guided, but many of them are rebellious.
ثم قفينا على آثارهم برسلنا وقفينا بعيسى ابن مريم وآتيناه الإنجيل وجعلنا في قلوب الذين اتبعوه رأفة ورحمة ورهبانية ابتدعوها ما كتبناها عليهم إلا ابتغاء رضوان الله فما رعوها حق رعايتها فآتينا الذين آمنوا منهم أجرهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Then we sent after them our messengers, and we sent Isa, son of Maryam, and we gave him the Injil. And we ordained in the hearts of those who followed him compassion and mercy. But the monasticism which they invented for themselves, we did not prescribe for them, but they sought it only to please Allah therewith, but that they did not observe it with the right observance. So we gave those among them who believed their due reward, but many of them are rebellious.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وآمنوا برسوله يؤتكم كفلين من رحمته ويجعل لكم نورا تمشون به ويغفر لكم والله غفور رحيم.
O you who believe, fear Allah and believe in His Messenger. He will give you a double portion of His mercy, and He will give you a light by which you shall walk straight. And He will forgive you, and Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful.
لئلا يعلم أهل الكتاب ألا يقدرون على شيء من فضل الله وأن الفضل بيد الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
So that the people of the scripture may know that they have no power whatsoever over the grace of Allah, and that His grace is entirely in His hand to bestow it on whomsoever He wills, and Allah is the owner of great bounty.